Hey, I just started learning Python, and for the next 50 days, I'll be solving 50 LeetCode problems. I'll get 30 minutes each problem. If I can't solve it, I'll accept the defeat, and at the end of each video, I'll be scoring myself on my personal scoreboard of shame. Let's start with day one. Today's problem will be problem number 35, search insert position. So, moreover, the problem is that we are given a list of integers and we have to find what index the target value is on. We are going to be given a sorted values, sorted list, and I'll have to find the target value. If it's not in the list, we have to figure out if it is in a sorted list where it would be. And I have no idea what O log n is. So all over what I understand is O log n is runtime complexity in which we will be splitting our array and we'll be splitting it in the middle. If we are looking for a value that is smaller than the middle, then we will be eliminating the right side. And if it is the bigger value than the middle, then we will be eliminating the left side. It will make our complexity to be smaller, and we will be looking for the integers much faster. It will help us with the runtime complexity. Okay, let's start with the code. And we'll write a while statement. In the while statement, we will be creating a while statement. We will split it in half. We'll have this one half, and then in that half, if our value is still not there, let's start writing, then we'll figure it out. While is smaller than right, we'll be splitting left plus right, and we'll be dividing it by 2. We want the integer, so we will be using double division, and what I like to do sometimes is just run it in Python interpreter. So what I eventually want to do is I'll stop the while statement when I reach the maximum number of splittings possible, and then when it does reach that, I'll print out the number. Then we'll figure it out if we are going to be needing +1 or -1 from there. So right now, the easiest way is to import math. I use ChatGPT to find out what is the easiest way to find the maximum number of steps, maximum number of times I can split a length of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think this works now. Three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Makes sense. Steps was completely unnecessary because I'm already checking if left is smaller than right, and it was completely stupid. I guess that's why I got the timeout, and I believe this one could work. Let me make the changes in the other one. So I don't need math. Feel so dumb. And I don't need these steps. I don't need S. I don't need this. I eventually did is I created a if statement for. I didn't take this one in consideration before, that the number could just not exist. in the, oh, there's also a possibility that the number is smaller, right? So else if the target is smaller than the numbers left, I guess I'll be returning 0, right? 0, because the index will be 0 at that point. I think so. So else return, right? So this case is when the number is not in the array, and this one will find that one. Okay, let's try. Hope so. Okay, that was nice. That was quick. So all cases have passed. Let's submit. Shit. Numbers on left. Name, target is no. Target, obviously. Target. Let's try again. Wrong answer. Nice. Easily fix it if I put here, or like this, or left. Wait, I think it's like go. I think this one. I think it's right, but it's wrong. Pretty one. Yeah, pretty one. Just two. This one, use this one. Melody.
One hour later.
This was this this was really simple. I made it so complex for no reason. This makes sense. This makes done. I would put it in 0 IQ, the amount of stupidity I did in this one. Clown, yep, deserve this. After getting the clown, it's end of this problem. Tomorrow we will be doing 53 maximum sub array, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.